Hi everyone! This week for Making Meaning, we're going to be reading a poem. In the past, we have read a different poem called Cats. Do you remember when we did that and we did some visualizing? Well, today you're going to be answering some questions about key details in the poem, and you're also going to discuss the difference between a poem and a story. All right, let's see. The poem is called Umbrellas, and it's by Lillian Moore. It's about people walking in the rain with umbrellas. So, do you or someone you know have an umbrella? What does it look like? I know my boys have these really cool umbrellas. One of them looks like a pirate ship, and the other one looks like a shark. What kind of umbrellas have you seen or had? Tell your partner. All right, we're going to build some more background knowledge or some more schema. What does it feel like to walk in the rain with an umbrella? Tell your partner what it feels like. All right, now I want you to tell them, what would it feel like to walk in the rain without an umbrella? All right, great job. So I'm going to read the poem a few times. The first time I'm going to read it, I'm going to define some words for you, and then the second time I'm going to read it all the way through without stopping. Then we'll do some discussion, and I'll probably read it a few more times. It's very short. All right, here we go. Umbrellas by Lillian Moore. So many umbrellas walking this gray day. So a gray day is like a cloudy or rainy day. So many umbrellas going every which way. So when you're going every which way, you're just going in all different directions. Don't worry, you can find me in a hurry. My umbrella's the one that's yellow, like the sun. All right, I'm gonna read it again. Umbrellas by Lillian Moore. So many umbrellas walking this gray day. So many umbrellas going every which way. Don't worry, you can find me in a hurry. My umbrella's the one that's yellow, like the sun. All right. This time I'm going to stop again and I'm going to ask you some questions. So I hope you've been thinking about visualizing the words that I've been saying. If not, here's your chance to start. So many umbrellas walking this gray day. What's happening in this part of the poem? Why do you think so many umbrellas walking? What do you think that means? Turn to your partner and tell them. So did you visualize like umbrellas with feet just walking around? Or did you visualize people holding the umbrellas on a rainy day? All right, let's go to the next section. So many umbrellas going every which way. What does it mean that the umbrellas are going every which way? Tell your partner. Did you explain what you might be visualizing? Lots of people. Some are going forward, some are going backwards, sideways. I kind of visualize that they might be like all bumping into each other. I'm imagining like a really busy city. All right, let's read to the end. Don't worry, you can find me in a hurry. My umbrella's the one that's yellow, like the sun. What does the part of the poem you just heard tell you? Tell your partner. right, so the author of this poem, or the main character of this poem, has a bright yellow umbrella and must stand out, wouldn't you say? So maybe the other umbrellas are not bright colors. All right, we're gonna pause right here and we're gonna actually take a look at the poem. All right, here we have the poem written on a chart. I'm gonna read it and I want you to be thinking about how a poem is different than a story. Umbrellas by Lillian Moore. So many umbrellas walking this gray day. So many umbrellas going every which way. Don't worry, you can find me in a hurry. My umbrella's the one that's yellow like the sun. All right. In what ways are this poem different than a story? Tell your partner. What did you notice about how the poem sounds? How does it sound different than a story? Tell your partner. All right, great. So you're gonna head over to your discussion board and you're gonna tell me how a poem is different than a story by the way it looks and by the way it sounds, okay? I will head over there and see what you wrote. All right, bye guys. See you back tomorrow. We will talk about umbrellas one more time.